Blah. My old apartment! My old burrito! My old girlfriend!
Don't call me old.
In which case, it wouldn't really be cheating on Leela if we were to...
Move it along!
Yo, Cosmic F, what up?
Hey, my old breakdancing crew! Yo, noticeably FAT, drop me that one beat that I'm having a hard time remembering.
Word up, that's why I'm even in this dream.
Well, there's no denying that was funky fresh. The neighborhood strip club. I never actually went in there, but it's worth a shot. Whoa.
Try you dope! You never went in there, so you can't remember it.
Oh, rats. I wanted lap dance nachos. Is that it? It's just that ice cream truck that almost ran me over.